can you get business credit with no business? Yes, you can.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Hey, peace family, what's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If it's your first time here, look, I talk about business credit. I talk about ways to make money online and entrepreneurship. If you're interested in that, please share, like, subscribe, okay? All right, let's get into it. Look, man, I'm no guru. I am not perfect, and and I'm nobody's mentor. I'm just here to share information with you that I wish was bestowed upon me. So that's how I'm giving it to you right now, just being authentic. Look, I'm me. I'm not perfect. I'm no master teacher, and I'm no guru. All right, all I'm doing is sharing information from my perspective. Now, with that being said, can you get business credit with no business? Yes, you can. You can get business credit with no business. All right, but my perspective on it. Well, let me say this first. I respect that everybody's different, and I just have to just come to grips in terms with everybody moves different. Everybody has a different perspective on things. Okay. All right. Some people religions are different. Some people eating habits are different. Some people work ethic is different. Just people are at different levels, different chapters. That doesn't take away from anybody. Okay. It's just that look at things differently. So some people are looking to get a jump start. I just need business credit. I just need funding. I don't care about how I get it. I got it. You got to get it. Okay, let me share this with you. All right. You can get business credit with no business by using that social security number. Okay. The simplest way, you can go get you a Chase Ink card and put in your name, and you can be, if your name is John Doe, you can be John Doe's Lawn Company. Okay. You can be John Doe's Barbershop. All right. You can be John Doe's Tattoo Service. Okay. You can be John Doe's Photography. All right. So you can actually get a DBA under that social security number. All right. And also with your social security number with that individual that you operating as. All right. You can go get you an EIN, an employee identification number, for free from the IRS.gov. Yes, you can. All right. Now, would I do it? Would I advise to do it? I can't really advise you to do anything financially. You understand what I'm saying? So for entertainment purposes, I wouldn't recommend. You know what I'm saying? The reasons being, I'm gonna give you both sides. Let me give you why maybe I would. You're broke. You ain't got no money. You in Texas where it costs $300, and you just want to get going and get started. But I'm gonna tell you this: you're gonna have to have good credit anyway. You're gonna have to get good personal credit anyway. But the main reasons I wouldn't recommend is because it's tied. Ain't no separating that from you, from that individual. Okay, ain't no separating that. And your funding will be limited. Okay, it will be limited. All right, but you're liable for everything. You're talking about getting sued. You're talking about filing bankruptcy. You're talking about all this financial stuff that come down with that. The tax breaks and the benefits are there. Okay, when it comes to having employees and doing all this stuff, okay, it's you still moving in that individual social security capacity. Only difference is you done attach the EIN number to that. All right. So with that being said, I recommend, if you can, it's a must that you learn how to operate as a business. LLC, corporation, nonprofit, trust, so on and so forth. Okay? All right? Look at how America is built on capitalism, and look at the biggest businesses out there. Okay? Do you want to be mediocre, or do you want to leave a legacy behind? So everybody's different. Okay? I'm not going to judge you for operating as a sole proprietor and just trying to go get that EIN and say, you don't need to do all that stuff to get no business credit. All you got to do is go get your... All right, this channel ain't for you, okay? You go follow somebody to teach you in that path. If that's going to help you get off the porch, if that's going to help you get to where you need to be, then perfectly fine and cool. I respect that. I respect anybody that's out here putting in effort and work. So don't let me disregard that. Look, if you putting in work, taking steps to where you got to go, you got that entrepreneur mindset, okay? As you grow if you savvy enough and you have enough experiences, you'll realize that operating as a sole prop is limited. Then it'll be time for you to take those next steps. Okay, so look, I understand, I respect everybody and what they got going. But look, from my point of view, no financial advice, nothing like that. I mean, hey, we already operating in that individual capacity. So if you want to do that, that's your business, literally. So, if it gets you off the porch, I'm all for businesses starting out somewhere. We got to start from somewhere, okay? But no, in my opinion, this should not be your end goal. But if you want tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars, and you want to get, big loans and grants and funding, and you want to expand, it'll behoove you to start operating with different entities. And that's just my perspective. And once again, I ain't perfect. I ain't no millionaire. I ain't no guru. So really, who am I to listen to anyway? But if you are interested in listening to how I build business credit, I got a step-by-step ebook for you. I got a video for you, and I can show you how to get things started. Simple as that. Monitor your business credit on NAV. I got a link below for that. They also report to the business reporting agencies as well. If you're not familiar with that, just go check out those last videos, okay? All right, peace and love, family. I'm out.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the money?